It's another day of hiking Bauchi State. Are you ready? Let's go there. Yeah, there's a view of the mountain I intend climbing today. That's me up there. Moving, not quite easy. Bauchi is a very lovely place to be. Wonderful terrain, a lot of mountain views, and a serene and calm state in Nigeria. Reaching the top, I decided to do some exercises to keep fit, both mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually, admiring the cool breezes of nature. It's really awesome though. While coming down the mountain, I met a total stranger. Guess what? He said, "Can we move up again to the top of the mountain?" I said, "Oh, sure sir, let's do this." And here we are, moving to the top of the mountain. And that's him leading the way. How beautiful it is. Wow. You can see the steps, the rocky parts. You have to be careful though, watch your steps. Make sure you place your hands holding the rock by your side so you don't slip off. You know what that means? It is little slipping off. That's quite dangerous to your body, So here we go. Pushing as lead the way. And voila! Here we are at the top of the mountain in Bauchi. I had to take some pictures to keep this memory. It's almost sweaty over there. Thank you guys.